Imagine you made a transfer of $100 USDT and above, or any other cryptocurrency of this amount, from your crypto exchange to your crypto wallet, and you discover that the crypto you transferred wasn't successfully deposited, or you lost that coin as a result of wrong address. Imagine the heartbreak that comes from this kind of stuff. Guys, I've once been a victim of this. So where I made a deposit to the wrong address and my coin was gone and lost. And I know how it hits me. So I'm making this video so that you don't become a victim just like me. When I was starting in the crypto, this is what actually happened to me. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer USDT or any other cryptocurrency successfully to your crypto wallet, or from your crypto exchange to your crypto wallet. Alright, so this is mostly for newbies, so endeavor to watch this video from this point to the very end. So as you grab every step-by-step guide for 2026, I'm going to be sharing with you. And don't forget to subscribe to this Trade with the Greats, for here I share so many updates on how to make money online, how to use AI to make your money and trade and all stuff. Alright, so let's dive in. Okay, so now you need an exchange. Let's say you already have an exchange. We assume you already have an exchange. You already have a crypto wallet, but you don't know how to push your USDT to your crypto wallet. This is how to do it. So we are going to be using USDT as an example for this right now. So if I come to the wallet side right here, you go to the wallet side and you are going to be selecting that amount, that particular cryptocurrency you want to be withdrawing. Okay, so you come to here, it says spot. So mind you, this could be different for many other exchange, but trust me, it's almost the same thing. So if you can use exchange A, exchange B won't be as difficult for you. Okay, so one thing between crypto exchange and crypto wallet is that when it comes to crypto exchange, you are not fully in control of your money. There are organizations managing this money for you, okay, which is the NEXC. And for the crypto wallet, you are the boss. You own this, so you control that money there. You control how it goes and how it comes. Okay, so nobody is in charge of that money. So the only thing is you just have to hold your key phrase, put it in a place that even in the next 10 years you can still go and get it. Okay, now you see the top where you say withdraw. So if you come to withdraw right here, then you'll be needing, you want to withdraw USDT. Okay, you want to withdraw USDT right here, you say on chain withdrawal. So because you are transferring out, it could be another exchange, or you are transferring to a crypto wallet. Okay, so now this is how you can withdraw. There are so many things you need to consider right here. Okay, if you come to here, this is withdrawal address. So when it comes to withdrawal address, you don't just paste any address. Pay very close attention to what I'm sharing right now. You don't just paste any address. So what determines your address is your network. Okay, so if you click on network, you can see there are so many network here, and this is where people fail. This is where the mistake happens. If you don't pay close attention right here, then that's it for you. Okay, so pay close attention so that you don't go and lose your $100 plus. A lot of people have fall under this, has been a victim to this kind of mistakes. So don't be one. Watch this video to the very end. Watch this from this point to the very end so that you grab every step. Okay, so now you can see BSC, you can see Tron, you can see ETH, you can see Optos, you can see Plasma. Now, which one are you going to choose? Before choosing a particular network, you have to consider the fee. Yes, because you are looking towards where will benefit you, okay? Not where to cut you off, like, you know. The only place you don't have an option is when you are transferring from your wallet, because wallet is quite different from your exchange. For exchange transfer, when you are transferring your cryptocurrency from an exchange, you have so many options. But for the wallet address, your own wallet, you have only one option. So it's your wallet is tied to one network. Okay, that crypto you transfer there is tied to one network. So now looking at this right now, if you look at this, you see for the fact that if I'm transferring with this BNB network smart chain, the BNB smart chain network, the fee is going to be 0.01 USDT. Okay, so and you can see if I transfer with this one, the fee is going to be $1, which is to say if I transfer 10, they are going to be taking $1 from me. You can see the difference. The difference is quite much right here. And you can see this one 0.3, 0. This one here, this plasma is 0. So this one here is the Arbitrum is 0.5 and also. So we are going to be going with BSC because BSC has one of the lowest right here. It has one of the lowest fee. So if you select BSC right now, go to transfer, then you go down straight to your wallets. Okay, this is Trust Wallet. So Trust Wallet has been topping for years now, and I will recommend this for a beginner, right? I will recommend Trust Wallet for any beginner that want to trade crypto or make crypto transaction or store your crypto in a wallet. I will recommend your Trust Wallet. Okay, use Trust Wallet. So coming to this place right now, you can see BNB Smart Chain. This USDT right now, I'm going to be showing you one thing. So if I go scroll down, come to where they say manage crypto. If I click on add, I'm going to be searching USDT. Okay, if I search for USDT, you can see. But let's assume I want to transfer to other network like Arbitrum, Tron. Okay, let's just say Tron right now, and I'll click on this. Okay, so now one thing I want you to know is this. So I want you to know that if you do this mistake, you are not going to get. If you do this, you are not going to get your coin. Imagine now, see, okay, this is BSC. See the sign here. The sign is BSC. So before you transfer, make sure you search here. You search for USDT. Okay, USDT. You check your network. So the network you selected here was BNB Smart Chain, right? BNB Smart Chain. So you come to that place, you select your network right here, you say BNB Smart Chain. If it's Tron, you select Tron. If it's Solana, you select Solana. But here you say BNB Smart Chain. Then you click on BNB. You search USDT. That's under BNB. USDT under BNB. So here you select it. And that's why you are seeing BNB here. Okay. So this is the wallet I'm going to be copying if I want to see my money. Okay. So I copy this wallet exactly like this. Exactly. I come to where they say receive. You come to receive right now. Then you get to copy your wallet. So if I copy this wallet right now, then I go straight and paste it here. This place, I paste the wallet and I enter the amount I want to withdraw right here. And once I withdraw, you can see the maximum here is $10. Okay, so and if you come here, you can, depending on how much you have, you can see it. You can choose so many other ones and see the minimum withdrawal. So that's it for this. And once I withdraw, then I'm going to be seeing my money here. You are going to be seeing your money too. Okay, so and one thing you need to know, imagine I selected BNB Smart Chain and I went straight, I copied this Tron address. So if I copy this Tron address, do you know what will happen? My money is going to be lost. I copy this now. Imagine I copy this now and paste it here as my address. That's Tron address, so that's Tron. Okay, but the thing here now is that the exchange is smart. So it has the ability to confirm an address. Okay, an address you pasted here. Once you paste an address, it immediately selects the network for you. So there are exchange that doesn't do that. So now this thing they are doing is making it safe for you. So now that I just paste the address, it automatically selected Tron. But take note guys. So imagine now, let's say I want to withdraw from my USD, that's my wallet, right? So let's go and click on deposit right here. I want to deposit, let's deposit USDT, and I'm going to be copying my address. Let's do it here first. Let's copy the address, go to deposit, then let's copy BNB Smash Chain. If we copy BNB Smash Chain wallet right now, if you copy BNB Smash Chain wallet and you come to this place where they say transfer, you come to Tron right here. So if you want to like send, right here, they will tell you to import the address. Okay, so now if I import this address, let's see if it will automatically select BNB. So okay, good. Now that you paste it, you can see that invalid address. Thank God that all this platform they have upgraded. Okay, so right now it's going to be difficult for you to lose your funds because they have been upgraded. So once you paste an address that doesn't match the network, it will tell you that this is an invalid address until you do the right thing. So these are things that will help secure your phone. So, and that's it guys, and thank God for the upgrades of these platforms, both the wallets, the crypto wallet and the crypto exchange. This is a welcome development, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This brings us to the end of the video. Don't forget to like, share my video as well. All right, see you in the next one, and bye.